光复香港时代革命。
When I think about what I'm most unhappy about, there's really two things. The first one is we didn't live up to the high standards that we really set for ourselves. And the second is we failed in our purpose. And for that, I am sorry, and I accept accountability.
It's definitely something that's going to come up at BlizzCon, but I think it's a little like insensitive or whatnot that Blizzard did that sort of thing.
I guess on behalf of Hong Kong people, we really appreciate all the support that has been given to us, and we really treasure the freedom of speech in America, and we urge the companies here not to succumb to Chinese bullying on the freedom of speech.